Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about polynomials. As we know that polynomials are algebraic expansions of constants and variables. Let us take some examples. 3 minus x square plus x cube, x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1, x square minus 3x minus 4, y square minus 7x plus 12, 3x plus 5, x minus 2. These all are algebraic expressions of constants and variables and known as polynomials. In this video we are going to discuss about degree and zeros of the polynomial. In this video we are going to discuss about degree and zeros of the polynomial. In a polynomial, highest power of the coefficient, highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. In the first polynomial, highest power of x is 3, then degree is 3. Similarly, in second polynomial, highest power is 2 or 3, same, again degree is 3. In third polynomial, highest power is 2, then degree is 2. Same in next polynomial, highest power of y is 2, then degree is 2. In this polynomial, the highest power of x is 1, then we can write degree is 1 and degree is 1. In this way we can see the degree of a polynomial. Now we discuss the zeros of a polynomial. Again, let me take the polynomial x minus 2. Px is a polynomial x minus 2. Now we are going to discuss the zeros of a polynomial. Zeros. Zero of a polynomial is a number which make this polynomial 0. If we put value of x is 2 in this polynomial, then its value is 0. Let's see, if we put 2, then it become 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 2 is 0 of polynomial px. Similarly, we take a quadratic polynomial py, y square minus 3y minus 4. In this polynomial, the value of y which make the polynomial 0 is called 0 of this polynomial. If we put y is minus 1, then we get p minus 1 the square minus 3y minus 1, then it becomes 1 plus 3 minus 4 is 0. Hence y is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. Here the polynomial has degree 2 because the highest power of y is 2. It means degree of polynomial 2. Then zeros of this polynomials are also 2. Hence there is a one more number which make this polynomial 0. This number is minus 4. Let's try. If we put minus 4 square, minus 3 multiply by minus 4 and minus 4, it becomes 16 plus 12. The number is 4, not minus 4. If we put value of x is plus 4, then it becomes 16 minus 12 minus 4, which is again 0. Hence we get one more zero of polynomial py, that is 4. Then zeros of py are -1 and 4. Here we also know that if a polynomial has degree 2, then it has 2 zeros also. Look at this polynomial, its degree is 1, then its 0 is only 1, that 0 is 2. The value of 0 is 2, but 0 is 1. We put 2, then it becomes 0. If we put any other value of x, then it never becomes 0 because its degree is 1, then 0 is also single, and that 0 is 2. I think you all understand the degree and zeros of polynomial. Now we are going to discuss the zeros of polynomial from the graph of a polynomial. Let's see. If we draw a graph of any polynomial, this is x-axis and y-axis. If we draw a graph of any polynomial such a way that we also tell the zeros of polynomial from its graph px. This is the graph of polynomial px. For this we have to see that how many times this graph intersect the x-axis. Listen carefully, we have to see only x-axis where the graph of polynomial intersect it. Here are 3 points, 1, 2, 3. Then zeros of number of zeros of polynomial px are 3. Similarly, again we take one more example. If we make a graph of any polynomial px, then see, this graph never intersects x-axis, then this graph has no zero. Number of zeros are 0. If we make one more graph here, py, then number of zeros of py are 1, 2, because it intersects x-axis at only 2 points. I think you all understand this concept. Now we are going to solve our first exercise of second chapter, exercise 2.1, which is very easy. This is the first sum of exercise 2.1. Graph of px are given. Polynomials graph are given here in 6 cases. Find the number of zeros of px in each case. We have to find the number of zeros. Then look at the first graph. Here the polynomial is this. We also discuss now. The number of zeros in this case are 0. Means no zeros are in this case. In this case, look, x-axis intersect the graph at exactly 1 point. Then number of zeros are 1. In this case, 1, 2, 3. Then number of zeros are 3. In this case, number of zeros are 2. Here, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then number of zeros are 4. Here, 1, 2, 3. Number of zeros are 3. This is the first exercise. I think you all understand the concept of degree and zeros of polynomial.